Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on disappearing messages in Viber. If you want your messages to vanish after a certain time for more privacy or cleaner chats, then Viber's disappearing messages features lets you send texts that delete themselves after being viewed. First of all, open up your Viber application on your mobile device. From the chat screen, go ahead and open up the chat. You want to enable disappearing messages. After selecting the chat, go ahead and tap on the name of the contact at the top. Now click on Chat Info and Settings. Now, click on Disappearing Messages. Pick how long you want messages to stay visible after they're seen. Options usually include 10 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. Choose any one options. After selecting, any messages you or others send in the chat will automatically disappear after the chosen time once it's viewed. That's how you can easily turn on disappearing messages on Viber. It is a smart way to keep your convos clean and private. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.